Hello guys, so today I'm going to do fifth level in Protostar, so that means stack 4. So guys, please watch my other videos, stack 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is stack 4. So guys, this is a source code, that is stack 4 C source code. You can see that void win function, and this is the message we need to get code flow successfully changed. So you can see that char buffer is 64. So guys, let's see how to do it. I'm going to start this stack 4 level. So guys, this is a buffer to overflow and vulnerable get function. So we need to target the return address of the main function, that EIP. So guys, I'm going to overflowing the buffer increase it until we get a segmentation fault message. So guys, for that I'm going to use Python. I'm going to use a Python -c and use a print a. I'm going to use that 64, close it and run as stack 4. There is no any message, we need to type it again. That's the problem guys. So I'm going to increase into 60 I'm going to increase into 68. So semicolon, close it, run as stack 4. There is no any message. So guys, now I'm going to run that again Python code. I'm going to give 72. Let's see, can we get that segmentation fault message. Stack 4, stack 4, nothing. We need to use Python -c 76. Let's see, after run that 76, can we get a segmentation fault message. 76 semicolon stack 4. Yes, we got that segmentation fault message. So guys, after 76 bytes is the area that overrides EIP. So now I'm going to use object dump command, obj dump command. So guys, after that run that 76 bytes, we got that segmentation fault. Now I'm going to run this command, dump dax x and stack 4. I'm going to use grep command. I'm going to grab that win function. Yes, we got after that run that command where we got that the win address is 08048 3f4. So guys, now I'm going to use Python to print 76, then that bytes and then the address using that win address. So guys, for that I'm going to use again Python -c. We need to print and I'm going to use that 76 plus we need to use that memory address guys in reverse format. So I'm going to use x f4. You can see that pattern. Next I'm going to use x83. Next I'm going to use, you can think the which number I'm going to use, 04. The last number is, you know guys, 08, x 08. So guys, close all the things. So use semicolon, close brackets and run as stack 4. Let's see this correct or not. Python dash c print 76 plus, okay, x f4 83 04 08. Okay, now I'm going to run this command. Yes, so guys, we got that code flow successfully changed. This is the message we need to get. We got it, and that segmentation fault message also. So guys, this is how to complete level 5, that means stack 4. So guys, I hope this is a very useful video, and please comment and share, and please subscribe my channel. So guys, thank you watching this video.